This is Leo. He lives in a quiet little town. People in this town are kind, but they always seem busy and bored. Every day, Leo rides his bike and looks around. One day, while sitting on a park bench, he has an idea. Leo thinks, what if I could make this town more fun? What if I could make people smile? Then he sees an empty lot near the park. This could be the perfect spot, he says. Leo rides his bike around the town. He stops to talk to the baker, the school teacher, and even the librarian. What would make you happy? He asks. Some people don't have time to talk, but others say, maybe a garden or a place to play music. At home, Leo draws a big plan on a piece of paper. He adds a flower garden, a small playground, and a corner for music and art. This is going to be amazing, he says to himself. The next day, Leo goes to the lot with his friends. Let's clean up first, he says. Neighbors come to help too. Together they plant flowers, paint fences, and set up benches. Everyone is smiling and working hard. Finally, the big day arrives. The lot is no longer empty. It's full of flowers, a shiny new slide, and colorful decorations. People come with their families. Kids laugh and play, and a local musician plays cheerful tones. Everyone thanks Leo for his big idea. The quiet little town is not so quiet anymore. People visit the new park every day. They laugh, play, and relax. Leo looks at them and smiles. It feels good to make people happy, he thinks.